Hello everyone, welcome to the Academy for Digital Learning and Mastery Studio, ADLM. My name is ADLM Revit, the founder for ADLM Studio. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to 2025. It's going to be an amazing year as ADLM has a whole lot of suits and fully packed packages for you. I'll be introducing us to some of these suits and also be reinforcing our existing tools and suits. In terms of our courses, ADLM has two major courses, which is the BIM course for MEP and HVAC works and the BIM course for building and architectural works. The BIM course for building and architectural works covers the use of softwares like Planswift, Navisworks, MS Project, and Autodesk Revit. All of these softwares are all explained throughout the course of our courses and the interoperability of the softwares, how to make use of these softwares in relation to your workflow as quantity surveyors. It's going to be a fully packed course as you've seen in our existing courses. This year we'll be partnering with a major data analyst also to integrate data analytical tools. This will be unveiled very soon. Throughout the course of the BIM courses, which will be coming up in 2025, we'll be integrating data AI and data analytical tools into your workflow as quantity surveyors. This way, your workflows will be streamlined to achieve a smoother workflow and to be the best at your game. Also, in line with reinforcing easy workflows for quantity surveyors and cost estimators, we are also going to be introducing our new versions of our plugins. As you saw in 2024, we were able to introduce the Revit plugin and Planswift plugin. We'll be taking all of this a step further as we'll be introducing our ADLM subscription services. The ADLM subscription services is meant to give you a more affordable payment plans for our plugins and softwares. Let's take, for example, the Planswift plugin. The Planswift plugin in 2025 will be a subscription-based app which will take your workflow further, as you have seen in previous videos on this channel on how to use the new Planswift plugin. The new Planswift plugin also allows you to export to Excel and export to material schedule and prepare material schedule from your quantity takeoff you've done on Planswift. All of these are in previous videos on this channel. You can check out the Planswift plugin section. You'll see all of this in details. The new ADLM Revit plugin. The new version of the ADLM Revit plugin has also we've taken into consideration feedbacks from the previous version and we are launching the new version. This new version will also be subscription based. So at this way, we have a very cheap payment plan and payment method. Bearing in mind the economic situation of the country, we'll be giving you a very affordable payment plan. That way, you can also always make use of ADLM tools and plugins and softwares at very cheap rates. The new ADLM Revit plugin will also allow you to export to Excel, prepare bills of quantities, material schedule, and even prepare complete bills of quantities from your 3D models. Yeah, it's going to be a very wonderful year. Also, I'll also be talking about introducing the new civil engineering plugin. The new civil engineering plugin is supposed to take your workflow to the next level. As this work, we'll be working on it for over a year at ADLM. The new civil engineering plugin has been created by various quantity surveyors and developers to achieve this specific plugin. This new plugin is supposed to allow you prepare bills of quantities for road construction, bridge construction, railway, and other civil engineering works. It's going to be a very fun plugin to use, as this way you can prepare your complete bills of quantity, do your head balance calculation with just few clicks. This is going to take your workflow to the next level. All of this will be coming up. We'll be seeing videos on all of this on this channel. That's why I would like you to subscribe to this channel for more updates on all of these plugins. Also, we'll be introducing our new and amazing rate generator. Our QGen 2025 will be the next tool for rate generation. And all you have to do is just input current market price and you get the final rates. It's going to be a very fun year. All of these plugins and softwares are all going to be Windows-based apps, and this will actually allow you to have a very smooth workflow. Being a subscription-based software, this will make the pricing cheaper and easier for you to use as point surveyors. So no matter your cost range, your salary range, you'll be able to afford ADLM tools. Bearing all of this in mind, ADLM has got your back. In terms of our web apps also, the ADLM marketplace is available for everyone to make use of. All you just have to do is Go to the ADLM marketplace via the link in the description of this video. Once you get there, you can create your store and upload your building materials. That way, you can always get access to latest prices and also create your own store and reach out to new customers. ADLM has got you in 2025. All of this and many more will still be coming up, and I would like you to stay tuned and expect a whole lot more from ADLM in this year 2025. Don't forget, you can always reach out to me via the link in the description of this video and our team members on LinkedIn. So reach out on LinkedIn, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for more updates from ADLM throughout 2025. As we promised, it's going to be a very fun year. Peace out. Bye.